today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Notion. When you first open Notion and arrive on your homepage, take a moment to look at the left side of the screen. This is where you can access different sections of your workspace. From here, look for the Marketplace option and click on it. The Marketplace is where Notion and its community share ready-made templates that can save you a lot of time and effort. Once the Marketplace loads, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top right. Click inside the search bar and type Kanban board or simply type Kanban. As you type, you will see a list of related templates appear. These templates are designed in different styles and layouts, so you can choose one that best matches how you like to organize your tasks or projects. Scroll through the results and select the Kanban board template that you prefer. Click on the preview image so you can see how the Kanban board looks and how it is structured. This preview helps you understand the columns, cards, and overall layout before adding it to your workspace. Take a few seconds to review it carefully, especially if you plan to use it for ongoing work. If you like the template, look toward the bottom of the preview page and click the Add button. In some cases, you may see a message asking you to allow the creator to add you to their mailing list for updates, promotions, or helpful tips. If this option appears, you can simply accept it by checking the box or allowing it, then click Submit and Get Template. Do not worry, because not every template includes this option. After that, the Kanban board template will be added directly to your Notion projects. The biggest advantage of using templates like this is that you do not need to start from scratch. Instead of spending time building everything manually, you can use a ready-made board and begin working right away. This saves both time and energy, especially if you are new to Notion. Once the template is added, you can customize it to fit your needs by editing columns, renaming tasks, and moving cards as your work progresses. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell.